It's Tuesday, February 1st, 2011, and the apocalyptic blizzard that they've predicted is just starting. We're supposed to get maybe up to 20 inches of snow. Good chance it'll be one of the top 5 blizzards of all time in this area. And that's going to be followed by a period of below zero weather. So it's starting to come down pretty good. It's windy out here. Waiting for my son to get home. School closed early today. I'm sure it's going to be closed tomorrow. Went shopping last night and bought all our provisions so we can cook over the fireplace if we have to, if we lose power. Got a bunch of fresh water. It's supposed to be a bad one. Winds are supposed to kick up to 60 miles an hour. And these snow drifts are going to be anywhere between 5 and 10 feet high. It's about 10:45 at night on Tuesday, February 1st. 2011. We've already gotten about 10 inches of snow. Supposedly the worst is yet to come. This is looking out at my back deck, and it's coming down at about 3 or 4 inches an hour, and it's going to be like that all night, and the winds are supposed to pick up to 60 miles an hour. So who knows if the power lines are going to go down or what might happen. I've already been outside twice today shoveling. Travis is out snowmobiling. He went with his friends, and tomorrow they're going to go snowmobiling again and then go swimming, go sledding. And no school tomorrow. So I'm just chilling out, drinking a couple of Mooseheads and listening to some music on the computer. Just got done listening to Rock and Roll Woman by Buffalo Springfield. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning on February 2nd. I came outside to see what's going on. I've already shoveled twice. You can see there's a lot more snow to shovel. It's dark outside. Snow is still coming down. The wind is still blowing pretty good. Through here. Guess I'll be shoveling again tomorrow. Hear the wind blowing through the trees. Wednesday, February 2nd. The blizzard of 2011. The third or second deepest blizzard in the area's history. I've shoveled already a couple of times. It's deep. Walk over here, it's already higher than my boots. Trav's still out snowmobiling and sledding, but he's gonna have to get home and help me shovel. It looks like I didn't shovel at all. So last night when I shoveled, there was probably 8 inches down at the time, and overnight we got about a dozen more. It's still coming down. All told, it's probably going to be about 21 inches of snow, about 2 inches short of the all-time record. And this is just what's happened in the past 24 hours, because it started about 2 or 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. This is the back deck.
We just pulled some guy out. He got stuck down at the bottom of the hill.
Truck or car?
Truck. Like an SUV.
4-wheel drive?
I don't no. That's what? The guy's truck was going in a 2-wheel drive?
It was 4-wheel.
Was it?
I didn't see the front tire. He went straight to the pile though.
Yeah.